I like to begin my speech today by asking, how many of you have had a book that you loved, and the author just like stops everything and doesn't write a new book for a while? Y'all had that happen at least once, right? Well, I really hate that, and I know it's necessary. And I've read this book series, and I'm waiting for another book. It's called The Sword of the Six. He does it a lot. The dude, in the first book, this guy gets a sword, and he has a baby, and his wife has just died, and he has nothing to do because the author just stops the book. So he's going home in the middle of the woods at night with a baby and a sword, and it's just stopped, and there's nothing going on. You're waiting and waiting and waiting. And then in the next book, this kid grows up, and he makes new alliance and whatever with the desert people, and he has a little land, so he needs to go to a new country. And in the third book, he has another quest for his sword, and everything happens, but nothing happens at the same time because you're just waiting for stuff to happen. And in the fourth book, other people are possibly dead, and he needs to move. But in this entire thing that I just described, he leaves so many cliffhangers at every possible moment, and it's annoying. In the book, he'll write about one person forever, and then when it gets to a cliffhanger, he'll just stop and move to a person he hasn't talked about for like 2 books. And then it just goes on and on and on. And it's so annoying. And I know I could go on forever about this, and you all would probably fall asleep. But this is my rant speech.